Hello and welcome to the RTM Pro tutorial series. Today I'd like to look at a productivity tool, one of the most important ones, and that is the OEE gap analysis. It will tell you immediately on how many parts are you losing in which component or which lost part of the OEE itself. Let's start again with setting up a time frame. In my case, again, the full time frame from the 9th to the 12th of July. And then I choose the end of line to be analyzed. Now I click at the OEE gap analysis. And before we dive into the graph, I need to set up here the OK status, representing the parts that are okay. So RTM needs to know what is okay, what is NOK. In my case, 1 is okay, 0 is NOK. So I have to set 1 here. Then the target value, which is the output of my production planning. I have the total time available for my production and I have my target cycle time. And with that, I can calculate that value. In my case, it's 5,400 parts. I click recalculate and now I can dive into the graph. On the very left-hand side, I have the target with 5,400 and I have the losses in parts in the different categories. First is quality losses, direct NOK parts, but also rework loss because of reprocessing. I have availability losses, 2,100, and I have performance losses, 1,100 parts, ending up in a yield, that means total good part output of 1,878 parts. That concludes in an OEE of 34.7% for this particular case, and I have the losses all listed here as well. So the OEE gap analysis gives you the chance to directly visualize where are you losing your parts. You don't need to worry about lost time or seconds lost in performance, but you can directly look at the number of parts and out of this then generate your next focus project. Thank you for watching this tutorial and I'll see you in the next one.